pH test first. Anything we do before we do anything, pH test. So let's do that. Got my water here, distilled water. Okay, brand new, spanking new. Should be fine. Yeah, I can. Yeah, green, we good. Okay, so we have green there. We good. Okay, so we good to touch. Okay, clean this up a bit. Gonna do a cutting now. So if you don't have a cut, if you don't have a professional cutter like I do, like okay, just use a measure like this. Okay, then use any knife. Okay, I have Chinese Cleaver, but you can use anything you want. Oh, it's really hard. Bit crumbly at the bottom, but it's turned out. I like it. I like it so far. I think we have to switch it around like this. Definitely, if you do this seriously, you have to invest in a proper cutter. Yeah, it's see that mark there? Not perfect. Not perfect. Not perfect. So you're gonna do this as a professional. I recommend you get a proper shape cutter, but I'm not doing this professionally, which means I make money doing this. Okay, I just make YouTube video for now anyway, and I'm doing this out of my hobby. So good hobby to have. Hard ass. No broken stuff, hey? Make sure you have a cushion down. It's getting better. It's broken here, but it doesn't broke off. See? Learn from my mistake. I'm doing this just for you guys, okay? Make sure you have something underneath. Okay. A towel like this would do. Something to cushion the blow of the cut. Okay, then twist. Still broke. Yeah. Get a professional cutter. That will solve the problem. Look at that. It's looking good, looking good. This is where we do a lather test, okay? Of cutting. This one, go halfway, 3.5. This one 8 bars only. Somehow this one's perfect. This one's perfect as well. I don't know. It's a mystery to me. Sometimes I cut it, the bottom part broke off. Sometimes it doesn't. So it's a mystery to me. Anyway, we're gonna do a pH test somewhere in the middle as well. All green. Okay, so we're good. Okay, take it off the glove now. So we know it's safe now to touch. With your bare hand. Okay, clean it up a little bit. So we have, just get a clean one for you. There you go. Okay, this blue here will turn purple as its age because we're using Alkanet Root Powder to make this coloring, and we're using Ombré method. Okay, so this color here will finger cross, will turn purple slowly. Okay, I like it. I like how it's turned out so far. With this one, why we didn't get it to have a medium trace. That's why there's a thing here. Okay, but that's why it's add to the effect anyway. Yeah. let's do a ladder test. Since we're here, this crumb here, that's what we use, okay? So this is a new recipe that I made. So remember, this is fresh soap, okay? Okay, so we have olive oil, coconut oil, canola oil, and rice bran oil. 4 oils. It's not lathering much, okay? The layering is not good, but still feel very slimy. So I don't know. Need some water maybe. Let's test it out. Yeah, there you go. Still very slimy because it's brand new soap, but it's alright. It's alright in the hand. We have soap, but how good it is, we still have to wait to see. I have to wait to kill this for another 2 weeks to 2 months. I'll probably use one in another month, so and see how it goes. Okay, I'll come back if I have time. I'll do another video how I test it out for you guys. So if you want to know about this recipe, check out my playlist about the recipe. This one is called Pink Indigo Extraction 150. So I've got a name here. So this will go with the batch. Pink Extraction, Pink Indigo Extraction. Okay, because I want to use this recipe to extract the pink indigo out of my coloring. Okay, so this it is. Okay, let me clean it up. Yeah, so if you need this recipe, check that one out. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video. Okay.